Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right 8-ball pool on your smartphone. Whether you are on Android smartphone or iPhone, then the steps should be able to guide you. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone and I'll show you how to do it through Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, you'll need to look for App Store before you can install this app. So first I'll go ahead and uninstall the app before I show you the whole process from the beginning. Now to get started, go to your Google Play Store or App Store, tap on it to open before you can search for your app. Once it's open, first make sure you are logged in with your Apple ID or Gmail if you're on Android before you can search for your app. So I'll tap on search here, then search for 8-ball pool. So I'll search for this game app and you can see we have it here. Tap on it first to see the details about this app. Now to know that you have the right app, make sure it is from miniclip.com, and at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.8 with over 29 million reviews. As you can see, it has been reviewed a lot, and now the file size averagely it is over 100 MBs, and you can see the downloads. This has a massive download of over 1 billion downloads, and these are the details about the app. So if you see this information, you will know that you have the correct app, and this is the current logo for the app. So to get it now, tap on install, and this will download the latest version of 8-ball pool app and then install it on your smartphone. Now once it is installed, you can tap on play to launch the app, or you can now go to your apps, and if you go to apps, you should see we have our 8-ball pool game app here. Now you can start playing it. So that's how you can install the right 8-ball pool game app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.